Hey beauties, I just finally got a chance to play with my Morphe Jeffree Star palette. It did come a few days ago and I didn't get a chance to play with it, but today your girl pulled it out and did some damage. So I got my Jeffree Star palette and I tried out the Jeffree Star Morphe brush collection. So I am also having a giveaway for that brush collection. So if you want to see how to take part, all of my thoughts and the tutorial for this look, then just keep watching it. So can I just say the packaging is truly gorgeous. This Barbie kind of matte pink, I love it. And look at this, oh my god. Oh, the colors inside are truly gorgeous. If you are a color addict, you just like to play and have fun, I know I do. So I can't wait to play with these today. So I also did get the eye brush set and I'm so glad that I got these. When I opened the package and I saw exactly how they look, I was so shocked because they're absolutely stunning. They are also like that matte pink Barbie kind of style, but the best part is there are so many brushes here that you can use for amazing eye looks. Like this brush, like brushes that you don't normally see is what it is. This one is so amazing. This one, I don't think they have numbers on them. Oh, they do. So this is the JS12. Amazing. This little one for stamping and doing your cutting out your crease. Oh my god. I can't wait to try this today. This little one, I can't wait especially to kind of smudge out and just do all that eye detailing. This is the JS13. So this is a really nice tapered fluffy brush, which I love because it's a little bit tapered, so it's not super fluffy, which is going to be amazing. I hope. I know, I'm pretty sure, I have confidence these are going to be amazing because all my brushes from Morphe, they really are so good. So hopefully these are amazing as well. But this is the JS8. These are really nice. These look amazing. I do have, so I'm not, so you know. And these fluffy brushes look so stunning. I can't wait to try these. I might have these already, but the pink handle, the matte pink, the Barbie pink, this iridescent, oh, it's really beautiful. This is the JS9 and the JS5. So I'm super excited, guys. There's more, of course there are more brushes in here too. This one is going to be amazing also for carving out. If you want to carve out a cut crease, this is the JS14, amazing. And then these kind of flat shader brushes, always, you know, super. Look at this one. Look at this one, is really different because it's tiny. So that also is so good for us hooded eye babes, so we can really get in there and really, you know. So this is a great, actually looks amazing brush set. This is synthetic hair, so this looks amazing for especially if you do have hooded eyes, because all of these little tiny detailing brushes are just going to come in so handy. So, and this does feel, to be honest, these do feel like a different hair than the previous Jeffree Star Morphe brush collection. Those brushes, I gotta be honest, they were nice when I opened the box, but when I washed them, they didn't last as well. But this material, this pink material, looks different. So it's all good though. I love my brushes from Morphe. So let's get right into it, guys. So I was really wanting to reach into this green, these super shimmery green shades. Oh, they actually did write the names on the palette. Wow, Jeffree Star came through for this collection, because like you guys know, normally the names are not written on the palette, but they came through. And so this one is actually called Millions. Oh my god, this is a pressed glitter, but that pink Self-Made Mogul Pink Fleet, oh my god, don't know her. Dog Mom, these are amazing. I really wanted to do a green look today, but oh my god, looking at these purple shades, but I wish I could do green and pink. But how do you think that guys will look? How do you dolls think that will look? You know what, who cares? Let's just play, have fun, and see what happens. I have to reach in to this pink Self-Made, oh my god, I have to. And then I'll put, I don't care if it goes, I'm gonna put green on the lid and then pink on the brow bone area. Let's just see how it goes. I'm not really sure how it's gonna look, but let's just give it a go. So I'm going to actually reach into Pink Fleet, and I'm using this JS12 brush. So I'm just going to go ahead and stamp that right. Wow. I'm just stamping that right along my crease area. This is amazing. Wow. That's crazy. It's so gorgeous. Do you guys see? This is really nice. I truly don't even... I know I liked the pink and like the Morphe pink before in my James Charles palette. I really love that pink, but this one seems a bit creamier. Wow. You just want to go ahead and just stamp it on in the semicircle. And I always love to use any extra product up, so I'm going to just smudge this underneath. And then I'm just going to take this clean fluffy brush here. This is the JS8 actually, and now I'm going to take, let me see, is this shimmer? No. I'm going to take Pink Fleet and just blend out that Self-Made with Pink Fleet. Wow, that's so gorgeous. I'm really shocked at how gorgeous it is. It's like just stunning. And these have zero patchiness. It's really amazing. So I'm just going to go back in with Self-Made, and this is the JS10 brush. Oh my god, I'm just going to just gently rub that on my crease area just to bring back some more of the intensity. Oh my god, these are seriously amazing. And now I'm just going to take that pencil type of brush in the collection, the JS13, and I'm just going to take this color too. And it's just a very light pink shimmer shade, and I'm just going to pop that right in the tear duct area and then down just a little bit on the lower waterline. Oh my god, this is... I know I wanted to use Millions, but oh my god, this color is so... I feel like just putting it all over my lid. It's so gorgeous. It's like the most gorgeous baby pink shimmer I've ever seen in my life. So I could not love this look more. I actually would love, for my own preferences, I would just actually not even do that much more. I would just do this all matte and leave it like that. But I love that look, like an all matte kind of one color looking eye. But I do want to try out the shimmers for, you know, the purposes of just showing you how they work. So guys, now I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. So I'm just going to take my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm just going to carve out my crease. So actually first, so right before I cut my crease, I'm just going to put a little bit of this shade Mogul, and I'm going to use my JS11 brush because this color is absolutely stunning. It's like a purple, a deep wine shade. So I just want to use this to really accentuate well, you guys know I have hooded eyes, so this is my faux crease. I do not have a crease there. This is like all drawn on imaginary, my imaginary crease, guys. But I'm going to just, you know, deepen it up. This way when we cut the crease, it's really going to make it pop. Putting a darker shade against your concealer, against your cut crease. So this is just going to make it really pop when we put the lighter shade in that area. And these are all so non-patchy. I was a little bit apprehensive to even use this palette. I thought, to be honest, I thought maybe one, you know, I just figured it might be patchy and it might not make a great look for you, for me and you guys, right? But so I'm just blending this out. But these are not patchy whatsoever. They're so gorgeous. So actually, they had said this was gonna be Jeffree Star eyeshadow quality in a Morphe palette, and you know what, it really does, it does seem like that, because I know Jeffree Star palettes eyeshadows is amazing quality, and this is very, very, this does feel like a Jeffree Star palette. It is really comparable, so that's awesome. So I'm just blending out that shade Mogul, and I'm just taking Pink Fleet and I'm just going to blend it out just very gently. And now I'll cut the crease, although I love this look on its own, I really do. It's so gorgeous. But let's cut the crease just for fun. So I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape on a little tiny synthetic brush and just go ahead and cut your crease out. So really quickly before it gets too dry, I'm going to go ahead and put this glitter on top. This one would look amazing. So I'm just putting 2. And then I'm going to put Millions on top of that. And then I'm just going to take that really small detailer brush, the JS14, and I'll go back in with Mogul and just bring back our crease that we, just emphasize the cut crease more. Wow, this brush is really nice, because usually will have to use like a lip brush to get that effect, but that brush is amazing. This is an amazing brush set. Actually guys, I am having a giveaway for this brush set. So now I'm going to just dip into Millions, and I'm going to put that on top of that shadow, because this is more like a pressed glitter, so you need a shadow underneath. I didn't realize that, but I'm going to go ahead and wet it with my Alegra Beauty Mist and just tap it right on top. So you just want to take your time and just pat it all over where you want it. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye, put on my lashes, and do some more contouring to my face, and I'll be right back. So dolls, I'm back. I put on my foundation and my lashes, and I kind of just smoked out my eyes a bit more with the same color family. Oh my god, I am so in love with this palette. I'm really shocked because, to be honest, I wasn't sure if I was like apprehensive. I thought maybe it might be a little chalky. A client of mine saw it, that I had it, and she asked me to use it the other day, and I was really scared. I didn't want to use it on her. I was scared because, like I said, I thought it might be chalky. So I wound up using like my tried and true Violet Voss palette on her, because I was a little, I was afraid. But oh my god, like I won't use a palette I haven't used before on my clients, because I don't want to I don't want to risk anything. I'm the guinea pig, you know what I mean? So oh my god, I'm so happy guys, because this is an amazing palette. I'm so glad I got it. So I'm just going to put on a little bit of blush. This is just some peach blush. I just realized guys, though, I was using this before to kind of, cut my crease, but now I'm using it to put on my liquid liner, and it is amazing. I already put some on my lower waterline, but I just wanted to put some more on, just to disguise the lash band. But oh my god, it's amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and mist my face now with my Alegra setting spray. God, it smells so good. Everybody is going crazy for the scent. And I did want to put on a little bit more. I don't think I put on highlighter yet. So I'm just going to take this sharp. Oh no, actually I have this Ultra Rodeo Drive. So put some of this on. And if you want to bump it up even more, you can put the highlighter on your brush and then wet the brush on your wet face. Oh my god, that's if you want that really insane highlighter. Highlight it to the gods, look. If you're a makeup addict, you guys know. You just love it. You're just so addicted. So the lip that I have, guys, is, I just got this. I actually tried this in Ulta and it was all sold out. It's the Todd Cravens. I don't know where they got this. Well, actually, the more I thought about it, the more I realized where they got this name from. This is from the Kylie Lip Kit, and this was from the Momager collection. And even me and the makeup artist at Ulta were like, what the heck, Todd Cravens? Because that's the name of the lipstick. We were like, what the heck does that mean? And then we were thinking about it. We're like, I think Todd is the mother's boy. Isn't it the mom's boyfriend that she was hooking up with? That one of the guys that the mom was hooking up with on the side when she was with the Kardashian father. I think what's his name? Wasn't his name Todd? And she wrote about him in her book and everything. So dolls, this is the finished look. Let me know what you think. If you have tried this palette, are you going to purchase this palette, or what do you guys think? So thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Also, I do have a giveaway for that Jeffree Star brush set. So that is up right now. I will put a link for it below. So there is so much good stuff. So all you have to do to take part is just be subscribed and just comment below that you are taking part and that you'd love to win. So I know that that's a giveaway that you guys are interested in winning. So thank you guys again so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Let me know what you think of this look. So thank you guys so much again. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. I love you.